When you uncover what banana peels can do in your waste, you'll stop throwing them away. People throw away banana peels constantly thinking that only the flesh contains all the good stuff. But that's not true. Actually, just as much as half a banana's nutrients are located in the peel-off. That is right. You've been mindlessly throwing out at least 1/2 of what you've paid for. In many elements of the global world, banana peels are consumed on a regular basis. Some folks have found interesting ways to employ the peel even. And today people are uncovering that banana peels can help with weight reduction also. How banana peel off can help you lose weight. The flesh of the medium-sized banana is made up of key nutrition that help take care of weight. 12% of your daily fiber, which supports digestion and could help decrease your threat of diabetes. 17% of your vitamin supplement C, which is very important to your disease-fighting capability. 20% of your supplement B6, which supports the body's capability to convert food into energy. 12% of your potassium, which assists with development of skin cells, tissues, and body organs throughout your body. 8% of your magnesium, which is very important to your body's energy productions and regulating sugar and blood circulation pressure levels. Eating your skin combined with the flesh provides you even more of the nutrients. The pores and skin contains high levels of vitamin supplements B6 and B12, as well as potassium and magnesium. In addition, it contains some fiber and protein, San Diego-based nutritionist Laura Flores told Live Science. By now, you might have heard about the professionals and negatives of eating ripe or unripe bananas. With regards to weight damage, green is your very best option. They contain much more probiotics, which are excellent for supporting your intestinal health. Plus, inexperienced peels can help increase serotonin and dopamine levels, which makes you feel great. This assists you manage psychological eating. Nevertheless, you can still use a yellowish peel off for weight reduction if you like something sweeter. Methods to eat banana peel off. Fruit peels generally speaking contain higher awareness degrees of phytonutrients, which makes them flavor bitter. But there are a few scrumptious ways to consume them. Both ends can be sliced by you of the peel off and chuck it into the smoothie. Add whatever other ingredients you prefer. You may boil your peel off and make banana tea. You use banana peel for curry of potatoes instead. Feel absolved to get creative and try different recipes. One very last thing to keep in mind before eating banana peels is to always ensure that you buy organic and natural to be able to limit your contact with pesticides. And make certain to wash them before use thoroughly. Watch the training video below for the benefits associated with banana peel.